So we have a mathematics question that says study the diagram, this diagram here, where R is due south of Q. Okay, find the bearing of Q from P. When they say bearing, this is a clockwise turning from the north, represented by 3 figure. Remember, clockwise turning from the north, represented by 3 figure. Okay, so now what we do is this. Since they have said from P, so you go to point P. Where is P? It is here. This is point P there. Now the next step is you check. Do we have the north there? Yes, the north it is here. The north is already given there. Now, since the north is given, then we can turn until where we meet the line for what? For Q. So from here, we turn until where we meet the line for Q, like this. You have seen. So what they want here is for us to find this angle. So now, as you can see here, this is the north, this is also the north there. This simply means that every time when we are given two north, then the parallel lines are formed. If that's the case, as you can see, this angle will correspond to this angle there. In simple terms, this rule, we call it what? Alternative. In simple terms, it's what we call the Z rule. It's a Z like this. You have seen. So meaning that if we find this angle, we have also solved for this angle there. Now, using this part, how can we find this angle using this total angle we are given? As you can see, the turning from here coming to there, it is what? 228 degree there. Meaning that if we subtract from 180, we'll get the angle which is there. Why? Because this line here, this angle up to here, it is 180. So we simply say 228 like this minus 180 like this. So once you subtract the 2, you are going to get what? 48 degree. Meaning that here there is 48 degree. Now since this angle and this one are the same, then this angle you finally say it is what? 48 degree. Now remember what I said in my definition. The bearing is supposed to be represented by 3 figure. So is this 3 figure? No. So you're supposed to add what? A 0 in front. So this is the answer.